Hi guys, welcome to day 17. Oh my goodness, day 17 of Vlogmas. I have not filmed anything. It is almost 6 o'clock at night. It is Friday. I went into work today, which I rarely do on a Friday, and I was kind of shocked. There was like no traffic. There was also hardly anybody on campus. Had breakfast and coffee at work, had lunch from the cafeteria at work, and came home. My husband went and picked up the dog from doggy daycare and brought home some steaks. We're gonna be cooking some potatoes and steaks, and I've got some yellow squash. He's gonna grill all that, so I don't have to make dinner, which is great. Realized that I didn't open my jam for last night, yesterday at all. So yesterday for the day 15, we had, so for December 15th, we had strawberry verbena spread, and I'm about to have a little intruder. That's okay, because I can hear him. And then for today, we have apricot bergamot spread. So those are two new jams. Maybe we'll try those, finish some stuff up this weekend. Maybe, we'll see. But yeah, about to make dinner, and probably, I think he made a fire. Maybe we'll watch some stuff outside, but it's really, really cold, so maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. It's cold out there for North Carolina. I think the high was like 50, but it's, 46 right now, and it's only getting colder. So I'm gonna go do my puzzle, and we will see you for scotch tasting a little bit later.
Up, sit, down, leave it. Ready?
Can we have some?
No, Truffle, not roll over. No, leave it.
Mama.
Crawl. No, come on, crawl.
I don't do that.
You like sit, down. No. You want to do roll over? You can do roll over. No, you cannot. What are you doing?
I do extra complicated rollover.
Okay, hold on, Truffle. Hold on. Come here. Sit. Truffle. Sit your butt down. Down. Leave it. Truffle, crawl. Come on, Truffle. No, that's not a crawl. You know what?
Good enough.
Crawl. No, don't grab my jacket. Crawl.
Day 16 for our Scotch Advent calendar. We have a single malt, 11-year from Speyside. I looked up how to pronounce this, and it is exactly what it looks like. It's Inchgour Distillery, and it was aged in bourbon barrels. And so we should taste baked pastry, stone fruits, and butterscotch. So that sounds sweet and delicious to me. We'll see. A lot of these are light. This is, oh, this doesn't say, 46%, so pretty standard. I think I gave myself too much on this one, but oh well. I did my research. I looked up how to pronounce it and also where it's located, and it is sort of in the northeastern part of Scotland near Inverness. Yeah, it has a pastry, buttery, sweet flavor. I don't get a lot of that on the nose, but I don't get a lot of fruit, but I do get the butterscotch caramelly pastry flavor. So I'm going to add a little bit of water or ice. I usually do ice, a little bit of ice, and it tends to open up the flavors a little bit more. The one that we had yesterday, after I added ice, it got a whole lot more bitter to me. Maybe a little bit like a grapefruity flavor. So I didn't like it as much after I added the ice, but we'll see how I like this one. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments below if you've tried any of these and what kind of scotch is your favorite. I'd be glad to try it. See you tomorrow.